When I started my dropshipping journey, I didn't expect to see significant results so quickly. However, by focusing on the right strategies, I generated $5,000 in profit in my first month. The foundation of a successful dropshipping store is finding the right product. I focused on a trending niche, smart home gadgets. Using tools like TikTok's trending searches and AliExpress reviews, I discovered motion sensor LED lights, a high-demand, low-competition product. I built my store on Shopify, choosing a minimalist theme to keep focus on the product. I made sure to include engaging descriptions, high-quality images, and trust indicators. Since I didn't have a massive budget, I focused on cost-effective marketing strategies like TikTok, organic content, Facebook ads, and influencer shoutouts. I created engaging TikTok videos showcasing the product, targeting specific demographics with Facebook ads, and partnering with micro-influencers for shoutouts. To ensure smooth operations, I partnered with reliable suppliers and provided excellent customer service to build trust. I reinvested profits into more ad campaigns and targeted lookalike audiences, which increased traffic and boosted my profits. By the end of the month, my total revenue was $12,000, with expenses of $7,000, resulting in a net profit of $5,000. Key takeaways include starting small, engaging customers, and reinvesting profits into your business for growth. Making $5,000 in your first month with dropshipping is achievable with the right mindset and strategies. Start small and aim high.